Hello guys, welcome to Do Physics. So this is the fourth lecture of the series Electrostatics. So this is Himanshu Talukdar and today I will be teaching about electric field lines. Very simple topic. Let's start. So what are electric field lines? So in the third video I have discussed about electric field. So when there is a charge in space, then an electric field is generated around this charge. Okay. So an electric field is generated about this charge. So electric field lines are nothing but graphical representations of an electric field. So say here Q is this charge. So as you can see these arrow lines, so these are the electric field lines. Okay. So there are some properties of electric field lines that we have to remember that I will mention. So as you can see, one property is that electric field is stronger where the lines are denser. So since in this case the region near closer to the charge, okay, in the region closer to the charge, so the electric field lines are denser. That means that electric field should be higher around this region which is closer to the charge. So as we move apart from the charge, okay, that is the region which is away from the charge, the electric field is weaker, which is represented by the less dense electric field lines. Alright. Okay. So let's discuss some more properties of electric field lines. So as we can see that the direction is away from the charge for positive charges. Okay. So if you consider a positive charge, say this is a positive charge, then the direction of the electric field is away from this charge. Okay, we have to draw it in this manner. Okay. Similarly, if this is a negative charge, then the direction of the electric field lines is towards this charge. Okay. So this is the case for when only a single charge present. Okay. So when only a single charge present, say this is the positive charge, then electric field lines should be, starting from this point which is near the charge and should extend to infinity, and which is pointing away from the charge. Okay. But when there are two charges near each other, okay, say this is the positive charge, this is the negative charge, then I will show more in detail in the next slide. So then we get some other patterns. Okay. So we will get some curved form of electric field lines in that manner. Okay. So other property is that electric field lines are continuous lines, that is electric field lines do not break in the midway. Okay, these things do not happen. It cannot break in the midway. Electric field lines has to be continuous lines. Alright, this is correct. Then the third point is that tangent at a point of field line gives the direction of the electric field at that point. So for positive and this negative charge, we get an electric field line in this way. And say we need to find the direction of the electric field at this point. Then we have to just draw a tangent at this point. So this direction is the direction of the electric field at this point, which is the tangent at this point. Alright. So let's move to the next slide. So as you can see in the first case, or in the diagram left hand side, so the electric field lines are coming from infinity towards the negative charge. Okay. Electric field lines are entering towards the negative charge, as you can see in this manner. Okay. And electric field lines are going away from the positive charge. Okay. So in this way towards infinity, and these field lines are coming towards the negative charge. Okay. So in this diagram in the right side, both the charges are of same nature, that is this is also positive, this is also positive. So in that case electric field lines will start from the positive charge and will extend towards the infinity. And when the two charges are of positive nature, okay, they will diverge in this manner. Okay. So these are very simple cases. Okay, stay updated for the new videos. Thank you.